How Edmonton Began, the End. So the French and English people, now that they were trading, they needed to have a place to live and to do the work of trading with the First Nations people. So they started to build forts. Forts were buildings where the European people lived, where they could work, such as building boats, cooking, and most importantly, trading. The buildings they built, the forts, they were surrounded by high walls. This was to keep the French and English safe. The first forts that the Europeans built were in the eastern part of Canada, but as the fur trade got bigger and more popular, they moved across the country building forts all along the way. Around the year 1830, the first fort in this place that we now call Edmonton was built. It was called Fort Edmonton. Edmonton began as a fort for the purpose of Europeans from France and England to trade furs, such as beavers, with the First Nations people.